Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious pork chops in your air fryer. First, select bone-in or boneless chops, ideally about 1 inch thick for best results. Pat them dry thoroughly with paper towels to ensure a crispy exterior. Then, season generously with your favorite blend of herbs and spices, perhaps garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfectly cooked meal. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Lightly spray the pork chops with a bit of olive oil or cooking spray to help achieve that golden brown crust. Place the seasoned chops in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping them halfway through the cooking time for even crispiness on both sides. To ensure your pork chops are perfectly cooked and safe to eat, use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the chop, avoiding the bone, until it reads 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they reach this temperature, remove them from the air fryer. It is crucial to let your pork chops rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist bite every time. For the best air-fried pork chops, remember a few key tips. Always avoid overcrowding the basket. Cook in batches if necessary to allow proper air circulation. Consider a quick brine beforehand for extra juiciness, especially with leaner cuts. A light spritz of oil can enhance browning and crispiness. Serve your perfectly cooked pork chops with your favorite side dishes for a quick, healthy, and incredibly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.